Hello friends. Now, the last class we saw future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense. Form we saw. Now we will do the exercise based on that. See, here you will find you have got 15 sentences. You have to rewrite them in using the future perfect continuous tense of the verb given. Alright, let's begin. So the first one is they play chess. That is, as you know, this is simple present. You have to convert that into future perfect continuous. So that will be they will have been playing chess. See that? They will have been playing chess. Up to this we saw same, will have been. Now here the given verb is play. And you add ing to that, then it becomes present participle. And look at the next one. We are doing good work. Present continuous. You have to change it to future perfect continuous. We have been, sorry, we will have been doing good work. We will have been doing good work. Listen. So, will have been and then doing. Third one, birds fly. Simple present. Birds will have been flying. Third one, birds will have been flying. Say this. Will have been flying. Will have been flying. And fourth one, children swim. Children will have been swimming. Swimming. Children will have been swimming. Boys run. Boys will have been running. This one, boys will have been running. Boys will have been running. You are getting it, eh? Is it difficult? No. Okay, then we come. Girls sing. Girls will have been. Girls will have been singing. Listen, 6. 7. The cook has cooked food. The cook has cooked food. That is perfect tense, present. So, changing it will be the cook will have been cooking food. The cook will have been cooking food. And students are studying. Students will have been studying. Students will have been studying. And the team will work. The team will have been working. The team will have been working. 10. The volunteers will be helping. Future continuous. The volunteers will have been helping. Isn't it? Volunteers will have been helping. 11. Babies are playing with toys. Small babies, they are playing with toys. So that will be converted. Babies will have been playing with toys. The babies will have been playing with toys. 12. People are doing their best. Are doing, present, continuous. So change it. It will be people will have been doing their best. As we are doing now. We are doing our best, isn't it? Yes, studying grammar. I am reading books. 13. I will have been reading books. I will have been reading books. And 14, we are discussing. We will have been discussing. We will have been discussing, and the last volume, he will draw the plan. He will have been drawing the plan. So now I suppose it's very clear to you, isn't it? See, look at this. These three members here, they are same. Will have been. The last one, the present participle of the given verb. The given verb is here. You can say play, here it is do, here it is fly, here is run, sing, and so on. Now distribution, I told you, there's no difference. First person, second person, third person, singular, plural, we, I, we, you, I, then I, you, he, she, it, boy, girl, cat, dog, then we, you, and they, boys, girls, cats, dogs, birds, and all those things. That is, remember now? First person, singular, etc. Isn't it? That's very simple for you. I think that we have been doing it right from the very beginning. Alright, so now, what about the negative? Negative, you can see, you can write, use the same test frame for negation also, negative. And before that, you should also know that this can be contracted. For example, I will have been. If you write, I will have been, I will have been reading. Now you can contract it to I will. Like that, we will, he will, you will. I will have been reading, you will have been reading, we will have been reading, he will have been reading. Understand? Yes? Like, so she will have been reading, she will have been reading. So you can contract this. A negative, of course, comes after not. I will not have been reading. And that can be contracted to I won't. I won't have been reading. So in that case, you can see this is contracted form, that is the positive. Negative will be won't, not willn't. There is no form like willn't. Listen, will not is not willn't. Willn't. No, there is no such form. So please understand that. I will not is I won't. So that's a negative. Now let's say we'll do one or two examples and then you will understand it much better. Okay? So let's say like this. Birds will have been flying. That will become birds won't have been flying. Negative will be birds will have been flying. The negative will be birds will not, and that is birds won't have been flying. Birds won't have been flying. Will not will become won't. A simple noun. We have been doing this. I will become I, she will become she will. If you want to. And otherwise, okay, if you want to say I will, you can say I will. Nobody is going to object to that. Yes. Or let's say the volunteers will be helping the volunteers. Volunteers will have been helping, and that will be the negative will be the volunteers will not, and that will be the volunteers will not have been helping, that will become the volunteers won't have been helping. Understand? The volunteers won't. So this is positive, will have, negative, and then contracted form. Negative, of course, we always use it's better to use, or up to you. If you feel like using I will not, okay, you will not. So volunteers will not, volunteers will not. For emphasizing, you can say it like that. They will not have been. For otherwise, normal speech, they won't be doing. They won't have been doing. She won't have been singing. He won't have been doing. Like that. Or the president won't have been what? Signing or reading. Understand? Or you can say the minister won't have been speaking. Won't have been speaking. Negative. I think now it is clear to you. So bye. We'll come again with tomorrow. The next class we will see how are you going to make yes or no questions in this tense. Alright? This is the 12th tense. Do you remember all the tenses? Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So this is future perfect continuous. If you take a verb, at the end of this we will see, we'll take a verb and see all the different forms of this way, that particular verb, and that will be applicable to all the English verbs. Right? So bye, see you again.